Hello everybody. So today we have a vacuum cleaner, and this is a really strange thing that it does. So let's plug it in, and I will show you what the problem is. Okay, so when we try to start it, it makes this sound. So it's like the motor is stuck. Yeah, so I believe maybe it's the bearings, or maybe something get caught in the vacuum cleaner, I don't know. So let's open this first. Yeah, it's not cleaned, but anyway, maybe it's not even worth cleaning. It has a filter here, yeah, dust and so on. So nothing obvious here. Yeah, this is broken. It's a well-known problem of this model. And let's try again without a filter, but I don't think something will change. No, it's the same thing. So we have to take it apart, and I don't even know where to start. We will start by unplugging it. We will take the hose down, if we know how to. Okay, this is it. But this we will have to connect all the time when we want to start it, because I see it has the RPM settings right on the hose. Okay, so let's see, we have two screws here. Does anything else open? Let's see. Also we have a filter here. No screws here. And we have going on. I don't think there are screws from this side. I can see something here, but maybe it's like the end of the screw. No, so nothing here. Ah, so we have more screws here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I cannot see anything else coming off. Maybe this? I don't know. Let's take down these 4 screws and see what happens. Normal Phillips head screws. Yeah. We try to fix this camera like this. Okay. I know I tried to change bearings on one vacuum, and it ended up moving the windings on the rotor. So that was the end of it. But it's interesting, what could have happened with this one? First I thought that somehow the filters went into the motor, but no. And it's almost coming off. It's moving, but it's not coming off. We have There are no screws here. No. Oh yeah, it was the end of this screw. Nothing here. So does this just click in place? Well, it looks like there are only some clicks. Do I have something here? Let's see. Well, I don't know. Maybe there is a hidden screw somewhere. Should this part come off? Well, what do you think? What's here? Let's see. Well, yeah, there's a screw there. It's a good thing we noticed. And I guess this will be the last one because it's already moving. So, yes. Oh, well, yeah. It is the used one. So, yeah, a lot of dirt, hair, whatever. And the motor should be under this plastic thingy. We have two screws here. We also have some kind of, I don't know what that is. No? It's with a spring, some kind of valve. And here we do not have a screw. We don't. So that's the only one holding. Of course we have the control wires. Let's see. Will it come out? Now we have another screw here. There is some dust here. I have to tell you that. Okay, and now it will come out, hopefully. So we just want to see what, and we will not see anything because, okay, let's try to take the wires down. This is the power supply. This one goes to the motor and this is the control. Okay, simple enough. And yes, so we do have the motor out. Oh yeah, So the turbine is broken. That's a shame. And I did have one of these vacuum cleaners, and there was a government program. If you buy a laptop and give one old household item, you will get a really good discount. And it was this exact same model. Well, yeah, it's hair, so the hair is cut up. Yeah? Nothing really we can do here, I am afraid. I don't think there's a problem with the motor itself, but look, everything here is fixed by encapsulating, and this is it. So nothing we can do on this one. We can look for this motor, but I believe it's probably the cost of the whole vacuum. Well, it's a shame. Yeah, this is it. So if you have these symptoms on your vacuum, you know that this could be a problem. It's easy to take apart, but there is nothing we can do. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.